Hi everyone, this is KJP Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin itong reaction video ang on cue sa Don Bell, which is something like their interview in How to Spot a Red Flag. So one second na longer, I'm really excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's watch this video. Kasi gumagawa ako ng compilation ngayon ng Don Bell. Tapos nakita ko, ang daming kilig moments sa kanila while they're interviewing or Gretchen Pulido interviewing them on cue. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this. Kasi gusto kong panoorin, bakit hindi ko lang gawa ng reaction video?
Hello mga kapamilya, it's Gretchen Pulido.
Diba?
You are watching On Cue with Don Bell.
Okay.
And Belle Mariano. Hi guys,
Hello.
and welcome to On Cue.
Hi, On Cue.
Ay, on cue. Cute ni Donnie.
May bago na naman silang project, How to Spot a Red Flag. What can fans expect dito sa show?
Wow, we are super excited.
Sino mo si Belle?
We just had the MediaCon. MediaCon ba tawag dito?
Storycon.
Storycon.
Couple of the cast, the crew, direct, Dwayne, na first time kong ma-meet actually, or first time kong matrabaho, and the whole View team, ABS team. What can they expect? Well, first of all, first collaboration namin to with Dreamscape and View.
Oh.
Ako, first time ko working with Dreamscape and with View.
Oh.
So, we are very excited because I think all of us have the same goal of bringing something different to the table and hearing about the story and the characters and all the ideas everyone has. It's very inspiring because we really all will bring 100%, 110% here, and our hearts will be in this project. We already feel actually everyone putting in so much of themselves in this, and I think this is something that also a lot of our supporters have been waiting for.
Yes.
To come up with a project na iba naman yung atake. Medyo light naman, feel
Light.
good. Very different from
Light pala.
as well. And
Talaga? O kasi medyo heavy nga talaga sila ngayon, no?
a completely different how would I say, project experience.
Okay.
Title pa lang, ang ganda na How to Spot a Red
True,
Flag. So,
indeed.
we're
Indeed.
looking forward to it, especially shooting in our location
Ano yung shoot?
na beach area.
Oh my God, so...
Oh,
Baka
beach
ma-spoil
nga.
mo yung
Pero
story.
may
Oo.
Yeah.
Si Belle, sinita.
Sobrang
Si
ganda.
Belle.
Yes,
Si Belle, inano niya talaga si
Actually,
Donnie.
expectations there are a lot. First, when they were discussing the story to us earlier, I realized ang daming matututunan sa story na
Talaga?
yun kasi it's very relevant, most especially for Gen Zs.
Ah.
Diba? Red flag. So,
Yeah.
I had a lot of questions in mind when I was listening to the story. It got me so in and curious, and I'm so
Okay.
excited to watch it on View. So, abangan po natin.
Sana available sa
Sabi
Saudi.
mga bagets at Young at Heart, no? Young at Heart, alam natin kung ano ang red flag. Pero para doon sa mga hindi alam kung ano ba ang red flag, i-define nyo nga para sa inyo, what is a red flag?
Red flag, yung ano.
Hindi yung literal, di ba? Pwedeng
Hindi
literal,
literal.
eh.
Ah. Sure.
Open na to, may title. How to Spot a Red Flag. Ano ba yung red flag? Something off about a person, something that makes,
You dislike someone
or a specific thing that,
something a person does that goes against your values.
Mm-mm.
I think that's for me. Ayun yung red flag.
yeah. Agree,
Oh,
agree.
okay.
Oh, yun yun.
Okay.
Tsaka ano, meron ding ibang kulay, di ba? May green flag,
Green,
tapos may
beige.
beige nga, hindi ko nga. Yun daw yung ano, parang gitna.
Oo.
Talaga?
Anong red flag, pero medyo ganun lang.
Oo. So in short,
Ganun lang.
ang dami, green flag meaning go, beige medyo,
Yeah.
not sure,
Yeah.
red
Mm-mm.
yung parang wag.
Ekis talaga, ekis.
Ekis.
Red.
Oo.
Non-negotiable sa'yo.
Non-negotiable.
I think yun.
Oo.
Yun.
If I were to ask you, for you, personally, ano ba ang mga red flag para sa inyo when it comes to other people? Usually it's traits, di ba? Ugali, o mannerisms, o...
I can start. For
Yeah.
me, yung nagsisinungaling. Sobrang laking red flag.
True, totoo naman, totoo naman.
Trustworthy, no?
That's true. Alam mo,
Deal breaker talaga
deal
yun.
breaker.
Breaker yun.
Mm-mm.
Sasabihin ko dapat be honest, pero yun
Oh,
na rin.
yun.
Palas lang yung Belle. Pero napanood ko natin sa TikTok.
Oo. Meron ba kayong nakita red flag sa isa't isa?
Sa akin, alam ko red flags ko.
Or pwede mo sabihin yung kay Donnie or si Donnie,
Yeah.
red flag
Red flag.
Hindi,
sa'yo.
sa'yo wala akong masyadong may...
Ay,
O sige, yung feeling nyo na ng red flag nyo.
Sa
Kung
Ako,
meron
I know
man.
my red flags. Like, I feel like sometimes, I get
Ah.
so indecisive.
indecisive.
Diba?
Talino
It's
naman.
time for me to decide on something. So,
Ah.
at some point, nagiging red flag.
Red
na siya.
flag
But
pala
I'm
yun.
working on it.
I'm working on it.
At least
Okay.
you're self-aware. Yun
Yeah.
naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng bagay.
Donnie, si Donnie.
Alam natin yung mga weaknesses natin and we're willing to improve.
Ako naman minsan, nag-ano ako eh. I'm spontaneous minsan to a fault.
Gets.
Yeah. No,
Oo.
masyado akong last minute mag-ano.
Hindi mo kasi mga tao ganun eh.
Oo
Diba?
nga eh.
Kaladkarin.
Yeah. So, I think that's one of them. Parang, minsan din, ano yan when you wait to the last second?
Procrastinator.
Yeah, minsan, I procrastinate also.
Sakit ko
So,
rin yun.
Sometimes you're always in a rush.
Ayan,
I
ayan.
like the rush.
I like the
Wow.
rush.
Because
I like the rush.
Yun nga yun.
pinamamamaya niya.
Oo.
So, nangyayari, last minute.
I like the
Kapag
rush.
ang daming ginagawa,
Mm-mm.
dire-diretso yun, di ba?
Correct. Oo.
So, yun.
So, can you tell us about your character here and how different is it from your characters na ginawa niyo sa mga dati niyong projects?
So, for me, can I say my character's name? I don't think I can pa, no? The character's
pangalan.
name.
Anong pangalan?
Cha.
Kanina sa
Okay, si Cha.
Cha.
Ano siya? She's really far from the previous characters I've done.
Mhm.
Most especially si Caroline. Kasi Caroline medyo tough. This one is
Oo.
very light.
Red flag.
She has a loving family. She grew up in a loving family. And she wants to prove something, which I can't say pa. I can't go into details because I might spoil the entire story.
Oo.
But she's trying to prove something to herself as well.
Mm.
So, medyo meron
Ang gwapo ni Donnie.
personal
Parang baby.
growth on
Parang
how
baby.
she
Tingnan mo
can
diba?
forgive herself with the things she's done.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, so hanggang doon muna sasabihin ko.
Okay.
Ikaw
Oo.
naman.
Ako naman,
From
Kasi
bingo
kanina
ngayon,
sabi nila, papalitan daw yung name. Totoo ba yun?
o to
Hindi
be
ko alam,
announced yung name mo, but from bingo na alam
From
natin
bingo.
oo, ngayon, gano'n ka different?
May O din yung dulo.
May audit.
No yung last. Then from Bingo naman, itong character na to. I think Bingo kasi is classified as an extrovert, no? He's
Yeah.
super like outgoing, he's good with people. Ito naman kasi sobrang introvert.
Mm-mm.
Hindi naman sobra, pero introvert siya.
Mm-mm.
Good boy. Ano pa?
Very like you.
Very like me.
Yeah, you said
Ah,
earlier.
yun, gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. Tino mo. Very like me. Okay na.
Hindi. Medyo nag-relate kasi kami ni Guy. ni Mino. So, I think it's gonna be a character na I'll be able to relate with. But, syempre maraming twist din yan. Makita niyo sa story, he has also something within himself that something happens to him when he...
Ano?
Ayun. Something happens to my character when he lies.
Mm.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mm.
flag din.
Pinocchio.
Tingnan natin.
Very
Diba?
Pinocchio.
Si Jameson Blake din dito kasi ang ganda, you have a stellar cast with you.
Yes.
Parang ang saya-saya niyo sa set.
Yeah.
Ngayon pala nakikita ko na parang ang kulit.
Mm-mm.
Para smiling. Sino ba yung mga kasama niyo dito para sa ating mga kapamilya?
Tamaylin.
Alongside Miss Angel Aquino.
Yes, my mom here.
Oh.
Yes, Jameson of
Jameson.
course.
Sila pa lang yung na-meet namin ngayon.
Yes, under the direction of Direct Dwayne.
Yes. So, I think, kanina nga, grabe na yung kwentuhan natin.
Yeah.
Feeling ko magiging sobrang saya nito kasi pinakaunang location lock-in na daw eh. Doon nga sa beach.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Gonna be,
Oh my God.
Din kayo.
yeah, makakapag-bond kami.
Oh my God. Lock
Since iba yung
in.
characters namin sa family,
Mm-mm.
kailangan talaga yung aspect na yun. And I think we'll be able to pull it off. And yeah, with Jameson, he's also gonna be he's playing someone very close to me.
Mhm.
Someone who I grew up with. Yeah.
Mhm.
Someone who I grew up with. Oh.
Mm-mm.
Oh,
Pwede.
pwede
Oh.
Pero ano ba siya? Ano ba siya? Love triangle ganap ba siya? May pagkaganon? Something? Oo. Basta may ganon. Abangan na lang,
May something.
diba?
Abangan na lang.
Something, oo. Pero yung
Walaan nyo na lang po sino red flag sa amin.
Abangan na lang. Tama naman.
Pero 'di ba? So last May we were chatting about Can't Buy Me Love. Talagang ibang-iba yung atake na mapapanood dito. And I heard this is an original Filipino series ng View. It's not a carried brand. So how proud are you na may Filipino touch tayong mailalagay dito na mapapanood ng mga everyone all over the world?
Well, I'm so happy. Actually, Tita Cory was here saying earlier that it's about time for Filipino Filipino series, Filipino projects to be recognized. And I
Yes.
think this would be I'm very excited for this project because I read the story. We've been talking about it and we're very excited. We're doing a lot of preparations. Actually, later we're gonna do our look test. So
You
I can't
guessed.
wait to see my character's look and yours.
Anong
too.
feeling mo yung mga pa-outfit mo dito? Pa-sweet thumbs ka ba dito?
Siyempre, beach yung setting. So,
Oh.
let's see. I
Let's
really
see.
don't know pa. Mamaya namin malalaman.
Ah.
Pero feeling ko naman medyo beach vibe yung outfits.
Yeah.
Beach
Pero
vibe.
good.
Love that.
Some skin, a little
Oh,
more
yes, of
performance. Ano naman si
course.
Belle?
We'll see later.
Ikaw naman, Donnie, ano mga outfits mo dito?
Outfits ko,
The
wala pa
looks.
akong alam eh. Hindi ko talaga alam. Baka mga sando, ganun.
Oh my
Kailangan ko
God.
mag-gym.
Bingo.
Kailangan ko mag-gym. Hindi naman
Sando-sando.
Iba naman.
Sando-sando na naman siya.
Ay, oo.
So, beach vibe.
Sa La
Kasi
Union.
inisip ko sando.
Sana all.
Naman kayo
Pero
dun
wala
sa-
nang wig ngayon. Wala nang wig. Diba guys? Wala
Sana
nang wig.
all.
No, but we're
Wag
very
na
excited.
wig. Kasi pogi si Donnie pag walang wig.
Not an adaptation.
Yes.
This is an original show. So, we felt the vibes with everyone who talked kanina, especially those from ABS and View. And everyone has the goal of bringing something Filipino worldwide.
Yeah.
And we really are, we really feel strongly about that because we have so much to offer, you know, and we're so, not us, but everyone in the team, Filipinos in general, you know, we have so much to offer that we would love to showcase for not just Filipinos to see, but you know, also
Yeah.
those who are abroad. And they said they're really putting all the efforts they can so that we can come up with something that is told storytelling wise differently and with a really different flavor. Hindi yung normal na teleserye kasi ito medyo short din lang to. Short and sweet.
Short and
Not really
sweet.
short, but shorter than Can't Buy Me Love.
Pero when this was first pitched to you, ano yung una nyong naramdaman? Ano yung reaction nyo na ito pinipitch sa inyo? Ito yung next project nyo.
Can I answer first?
Ayan.
When they first pitched kasi to us, we're very grateful because the team listens and they're willing to also get our feedback.
Yeah.
Mm.
Hindi ito yung unang pinitch sa amin eh. Kasi they said they had a couple of stories also. And we requested kasi if it can be a bit different than from, you know, Can't Buy Me Love.
Yeah.
And it could be like a lighter flavor naman na parang yung rom-com na namimiss natin.
Yes.
Yung
yes.
parang mapapanood mo tapos mapapasmile ka.
Tas masarap yung
kinikilig
tulog
ka,
mo.
Masarap yung
Sure.
tulog mo.
True.
Namiss din namin yung
Kinikilig si Akla.
coming from,
Bakit naman kinikilig si Akling?
jam-packed show. This one naman, ganun pa rin, pero iba naman siya and the environment is different. So, when they showed us this, yung How to Spot a Red Flag and they told us the story and everything and all the twists and turns, sabi namin ganda. Gusto naming mag-start na mag-shoot. Na-miss nga namin mag-shoot eh. It's been a while na rin. And
Yeah.
with a completely new cast. And first time again working with Direct Dwayne. So, we're very, very excited. And we're very privileged and blessed to be part of this.
What about you, Belle? Yung first initial reaction mo nung na-pitch to?
You know, when they pitched it to me, it sparked my curiosity. Like, I wanted to know more about the story and I wanted to know my character more. So, kilalanan natin si Chael together. Yeah.
Exciting. But you know, the past, 4 months nung nag-finale ang Can't Buy Me Love, di ba? Ang dami nyong ganap. You did your own thing. You went to California for ASAP. You just came back from Singapore. You've been traveling, spending time with your family. Ano ba yung life update naman ni Donnie and Belle? Para naman yung mga fans, aside from seeing you guys on IG, ano ba yung mga ginawa nyo in the past 4 months na since after that show?
Oo nga po, 4 months lang. May bago agad silang no?
A lot of the stuff that we couldn't do during, no?
Yeah,
So nakapagpahinga rin kayo talaga?
Yeah, we LA was a big break
Breather,
for us. Yeah,
no?
breather for us. It was nice to just have a different scenery naman from, you know, our usual taping schedule.
Kasi naka 9 months ata kayo sa Can't
Yeah.
Buy Me Love, right? Oo.
We're 9
We started
months.
shooting that earlier than showed. So 10 months siguro kami nag-shoot or
Yeah.
basta preparation, yeah, almost a year na rin. So it was a good breather for us. We spent a lot of time with our family because a lot of that time spent in Can't Buy Me Love, hindi rin namin nakasama sila. So a lot of the time na siguro pang pabawi sa mga hindi namin nakasama, and doing the stuff that we couldn't do, like siguro more of our hobbies,
Yeah.
traveling more.
That's true.
You
Ako-
just came from F1. She
Oo
really loves
nga.
F1.
F1.
How was
Super.
it, Belle?
Yeah.
It's
One?
really fun actually. I just got back yesterday.
Are you a fan?
I really am. I started being a fangirl during the pandemic. And then
F1?
going back to what Donnie was saying, I was able to visit London. It was my first time going there for Barrio Fiesta.
A formula. Yung car racing.
Experience. I also did the concert and then
Taray.
to LA. So we did a lot of things during those
Yeah.
4 months, and I miss this actually. I miss performing in front and acting in front of the cameras, and I just can't wait to start shooting again.
See, ang ganda, no? Minsan you just need a short break to bring you back to what
Yeah.
you really
Yes.
want to do, diba? Or just a breather. I saw in LA, you were also with your family.
Yes,
And then you were running with them. And then ang dami mong shows, model,
Mm-mm.
influencer. You've been traveling for different brands.
Yes.
Grabe, Donnie, ang
saan nga ba yun?
saya.
Saan nga ba ako pumunta?
Ang dami. Nakalinya ka. Tapos kasama mga Asian stars, diba?
Saan nga ba yun?
Hindi ko
Sa-
na maalala. Basta meron for the brands
Was that
na yun.
Singapore?
Oo.
Actually,
Or did I get a degree? Yeah.
Just to
mga plano.
Genre of rom-com and an amazing cast. And sobrang excited kami na makita yung mga reaction nyo
Oo.
and yung
Yeah.
feedback ninyo sa mga upcoming episodes.
Gawa natin yan.
Yeah, we'll see you guys soon.
Alright.
Ay.
Tapos na siguro to.
Hashtag.
Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the on cue Don Bell telling us about how to spot a red flag. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!